The iPhone 16e has just been released, and this is what it offers. A 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, meaning they are stunning colors. It also includes a ceramic shield front cover, meaning it's tougher against drops and scratches. In terms of performance, it uses Apple's latest chip A18, which means you might be getting the same experience as the latest iPhone 16. In terms of battery life, there are claims that it lasts 12 hours longer than any iPhone SE. Obviously, these are just claims, so this is something that needs to be verified. But there are claims that the battery life is pretty good. It features a 48 megapixel fusion camera, meaning there is increased detail and sharpness. Then it also has telephoto zoom capabilities up to 2 times. In terms of connectivity, it actually uses Apple's C1 modem, which is Apple's first in-house built modem providing 5G connectivity. Then it also has an action button for quick actions and USB Type-C charging. Then there's no ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate, which means that you just get the 60Hz refresh rate experience. It does have wireless charging, but it doesn't have MagSafe support, which means you might need like third-party wireless chargers. Then obviously, because it uses the latest chip, it also has Apple Intelligence. Then in terms of pricing, it starts at $599, which is the best value for an iPhone we've seen in years. But then again, it doesn't have some functionalities. So what do you think? Do you think the iPhone 16e is a game changer? Comment down below in the comment section.